in the greater Northeast, running a hardwire smoke detector system. This is a house, total rewire. This is the back room. First one. The hallway, I'm putting the smoke. Bathroom, there's no smoke. Bedroom, middle bedroom, smoke coming through over here. There we go. Another smoke there, running over down the soffit to the first floor. Okay, this is one of my quickest ones. I ran this in about 45 minutes to an hour. Whole house, hardwire smoke detectors. One right here, base of the steps, which is feeding over to the basement right here. Right here, coming down to the basement. Coming down to the basement. Alright, we got our feed right over here. Finished basement, and right here goes our CO2. And that is, that's a wrap. We got this hardwire smoke detector system wired in 45 minutes. It's record time for me. I'm out.